Hey viewer, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how you can make a simple digital distance scale with the help of Arduino and ultrasonic sensor. In my previous video I showed you how you can connect digital display to Arduino. If you haven't watched that video, then click on I button above to watch that. First of all, you have to connect display to the Arduino, as shown in my previous video. Then connect ultrasonic sensor on the breadboard as shown here. After that, take male-to-male jumper wires and connect it to VCC pin. And the other end to 5V supply on breadboard. Then connect trick pin to pin number 9 and echo pin to pin number 10 on Arduino board, and ground pin to ground on breadboard. Now you are done with wiring. Time to make a program to make ultrasonic sensor workable. I'm using my previous video's code here, I'll edit it. Let's define pins first. Trick pin is on 9, and echo pin is on 10. I will test my sensor first. For this I will use Arduino IDE console here. For this I have written serial.begin 9600. Now defining pin modes. Trick pin is working as output, and echo pin as input. Here digital write to trick pin, high. The purpose of doing this is to send some ultrasonic sound waves in air. Now adding delay of 1000 microseconds. And turning off trick pin. Now the reflected sound wave come at echo pin. To detect the sound we will use pulse in. It's clear that it will take some time by sound to reach back to the sensor. We will store this reading in duration. Now for distance I am using here a formula which is driven from time distance formula. I will erase my previous LCD code first. Time to upload the code. We will get a result on our computer screen. As you can see, I am getting some readings. This is our distance. Now I'm confirmed that my sensor is working well. Now I'm gonna print distance on LCD erasing IDE console program. Here I'm print distance on LCD, adding some delay to make it see-nable. If you don't add delay, you will not able to see it. Setting cursor to 0,0 for distance measure and after 3 characters spacing. I want to print centimeter symbol. For this I am setting cursor to 3,0. Now you can see that sometimes I'm getting the distance of 3000 which is incorrect distance. This is because ultrasonic sensor can only sense the distance within 400 cm. Greater than it will prompt errors. For this I am adding if condition, in which I am gonna write if the distance is greater than 400, then print syntax out of range. On LCD make sure that your code is perfectly indented under if and else conditions. By doing some editing in code, I'm done with it. If you like this video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up.